So here we have an amazing curly hair transformation. Wow, absolutely gorgeous pixie style. Love the texture. She looks radiant. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. Now here we have the stylist doing a bob haircut. Looks like she's getting a beautiful blunt bob style, more on the traditional side. The stylist goes in and adds some waves, creating that tussle texture. Oh, beautiful. So he ended up doing a jaw length bob. This is gorgeous. And then we see this really pretty Peter Pan style pixie. Beautiful bangs in the front, swooped over to the side. Absolutely beautiful. She does have a lot of thickness and fullness within this particular pixie cut. Next up, we see a brilliant bob once again. She's going to be styling this one. What I really like about her technique is that it is perfect for adding more volume to your hair. And a volumized bob is always a win. Wow, so beautiful. And I love the look of the classic red lip and nails combo. Next up, we see a short and sweet mini bob haircut. And mini bobs are definitely one of the hottest bob variations that we're seeing in 2023. And then we see another pixie style with lots of curls. She has an absolutely stunning smile. And then we see yet another short and sweet pixie. So it looks like she's in for a cut refresh. And the stylist does more of a slicked down look. Wow, so beautiful. I think both ways are just perfection. And then we have someone else rocking a pixie haircut. She has a lot of volume there going in the middle, kind of like that mohawk pixie style. Such a fun look and perfect once again for adding volume. So then we see this gorgeous blonde bob. This one is also more on the traditional side. This one features blunt ends, no waves, just super straight and stylish. So tell me in the comments below, do you like to see the bobs worn straight, or do you like the more tousled appearance? So then we have another pixie here. This one features a pop of blue going there in the bangs. Nice way to mix in some color. And then we have another hair transformation. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob. Wow, absolutely gorgeous angled bob. It does feature hair longer in the front. Wow, she looks incredible. So I hope you guys have enjoyed all of the hairstyles in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.